Hello everyone, welcome to PSC Collegiate English. Today we will be looking at Nobel Prize for Literature from the year 2015 to 2020. We are doing this because for national level competitive exams and also for various university entrances exams, these current affairs become very essential. The the students as well as scholars should remember the winners of Nobel Prize for Literature, also their important works. So let us have a look at it. The Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 2020 was won by Louise Gluck for her unmistakable poetic voice that, with austere beauty, makes individual existence universal. Dear friends, please note to remember the statement given by the Nobel Prize Foundation. Sometimes in UGC NET also such questions are asked. Some of the famous works of Louis Gluck are Firstborn, The House on Marshland, The Garden, The Triumph of Achilles, Ararat, The Wild Iris, Proofs and Theories, Essays on Poetry, the first four books of poems, Vita Nova, Faithful and Virtuous Knight, American Originality, etc. We must concentrate on Louise Gluck because she is the recent winner, and this particular person and her over can be asked in various competitive exams. Let us look into the Nobel Prize for Literature winners for the year 2019. So it is shared by two winners. One is Polish author Olga Tokarczuk, and also Austria's Peter Handke have been awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 2019. Two winners were named, one for 2019 and one for 2018. In the year 2018, the prize was not awarded. The Swedish Academy, which oversees the prestigious award, suspended it in 2018 after a sexual assault scandal. That is why in the year 2019, two prominent writers are awarded the prize. Let us look into some features of Peter Handke's writing. The 76-year-old Austrian playwright, novelist, and poet was recognized for an influential work that, with linguistic ingenuity, has explored the periphery and the specificity of human experience, the Academy said in a statement. Please remember to at least identify the statements given by the Academy about the writer. Hanke, credited as one of the most thought provoking writers in the German language, burst onto the literary scene in the 1960s and has, for some decades, been one of the most influential writers of contemporary fiction, the Nobel judges said. His most popular works include A Sorrow Beyond Dreams, which was published in 1975, and this work dealt with his own mother's suicide in the year 1971. He has also collaborated with film director Wim Wenders, including on the script for BAFTA nominated 1987 film Wings of Desire. Coming to Olga Tokarczuk, who is 57 years old, is considered the leading Polish novelist of her generation. She was rewarded with a statement, I quote, for a narrative imagination that, with encyclopedic passion, represents the crossing of boundaries as a form of life, unquote. The author is a Polish bestseller whose books blend the real with the mystical. She is a writer preoccupied by local life, but at the same time inspired by maps and speculative thought, looking at life from above, the judges said. Her work centers on migration and cultural transitions and is full of wit and cunning, they added. We can also note that these writers and the comments that the judges have given for their works can be used for further research purposes. Research scholars can look into these books which have won numerous prizes for various themes and many other subdivisions for doing their research. Okay, let us look into the Nobel Prize winner for the year 2017. The Nobel Prize in Literature 2017 was awarded to Kazuo Ishiguro. The statement said, I quote, who, in novels of great emotional force, has uncovered the abyss beneath our illusionary sense of connection with the world. Unquote. Some of his famous works are The Remains of the Day, Never Let Me Go, The Buried Giant, An Artist of the Floating World, A Pale View of Hills, Come Rain or Come Shine, Three Bees. Let us proceed to the writer of 2016 who has won Nobel Prize for Literature. The person is Bob Dylan. The Nobel Prize in Literature 2016 was awarded to Bob Dylan. The statement said, I quote, for having created a new poetic expression within the great American song tradition, unquote. It is to be noted that Bob Dylan is a songwriter. His songs like a Rolling Stone, Blowing in the Wind, Tangled Up in the Blue, Mr. Tambourine Man, Ballad of a Thin Man, Just Like a Woman. These songs and his songs have achieved recognition in the form of Nobel Prize. Let us look into the Nobel Prize for Literature winners for the year 2019. So it is shared by two winners. One is Polish author Olga Tokarczuk and also Austria's Peter Handke have been awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 2019. So please remember to go through the authors who have won the prizes like Nobel Prize for Literature, Booker Prize, Pulitzer Prize. If you're going through all these, maybe we can expect two or three questions from such current affairs portion of literature. Thank you so much.